Okay, here we have them. The orange one over there, I believe, was the first one that I showed in a YouTube short video. And this one is the one that you saw me building in the build video. Let's turn these a little bit. Knocking over stuff. Links to the Thingiverse files will be in the documentation box down below if any of you guys want to play around with it. I believe the door opens a little bit further on this one, which means I stretched the spring out more. Let's see. Yeah. The camera might not have picked it up, but I had to take a look for my own self.